Let's get oriented to the Immerse app and basic features. Here we are starting at the settings screen. You're going to have all the basic information you need here on the settings screen. You're going to have domains, numbers of routines, expressions, etc. Initially, these numbers will all say 0, but they will increase as you keep learning. This will be an area where you can add team members. This will be empty initially, but you can add a spouse, teammates, or anyone else you might want to share language learning resources with. When you're first getting started with the app, you're going to want to choose your language. My language is Spanish. You can use the Get Help button if you need any support from the Immerse team. Click here to ask a question and we will be available to support you. The Export Data button you can choose if you need to export your data. And the Check Files button is used if you need to sync your work to the cloud after you've been working offline. Check out our help article on this feature for more information. Here on the settings screen, you're going to see the home screen for each individual level, levels 1, 2, 3, and 4. For each level, you will have the same 4 options at the bottom. You're going to have Home, Library, Shared, and Review. This Home button is going to take you back to this main page from anywhere else you may be. The Library will show you your library of resources, lessons, routines, and your dictionary. The Shared button is where you will find any materials that have been shared with you by someone else for that level. Finally, the Review button is where you can select from a variety of review options. In every level and for every learning plan, you will also have these options at the top: Prepare, Interact, and Review. Here in Prepare is where you will do work before interacting with your language helper. Interact is where you will do work when you are interacting with your language helper. And Review is the work you will do after working with your language helper. If you need any help navigating the app, you can always click this question mark, which will guide you. And finally, we have the lock feature. Check out our article, which will help you learn more about the lock feature.